Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, age verification, and microphone permission. Go to Roblox settings privacy and enable voice chat. Upload your ID when prompted. Once done, allow the app to access your microphone in your phone settings, because without that the app cannot capture audio. Make sure your account's safety age matches the verified ID, otherwise voice features remain locked. Now that basic access is granted, open a supported game to begin the activation test and prepare the next configuration steps. You'll now configure in-game voice settings for clarity and control. In the game, open Settings Audio/Voice. Select your phone's mic as the input and choose either Open Mic for continuous audio or Push-to-Talk to avoid background noise. Adjust microphone volume and output volume so others hear you clearly. If echo occurs, lower volume or use headphones. Once adjusted, test with a small group or private server to confirm levels and latency, because testing prevents disruptions when you join larger public sessions. Complete the setup by ensuring stable connectivity and minimizing background apps to reduce lag and CPU load. If you or others cannot hear you, first confirm app microphone permission and Roblox privacy voice chat status. Then recheck the game host's voice rules, because hosts can disable voice. If problems persist, restart the Roblox app, toggle microphone permission off and on, and rejoin the server. This often resolves permission caching or device lock. Finally, try headphones with a mic to isolate hardware faults and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.